And this is Alex going to take a face plunge into the snow.
Ready?
Come on, don't break your neck.
Go!
Look at Mom.
Dad, come here. I'll brush you off.
Yeah, that's Henry chillaxing with his beer in his hand.
Mom, look! Mommy! Touchdown!
Be careful, puppy.
No.
Oh, he went down. Watch it, you're going to break it, you might get... Yeah, I think I'll stay quiet. I forgot I'm recording. Baby, Isabel.
Probably freezing or something.
Bailey. Bailey, bro. What's the matter? You cold? Where's the jacket?